Did you know that carpets can collect up to 40 pounds of dust each year? They can even harbor more bacteria than a toilet seat. Today, we're exploring the vital impact clean carpets have on workplace health and productivity. Let's dive in. Research shows that carpets can trap dust, allergens, and biological contaminants. These particles can become airborne, impacting indoor air quality, especially for those with asthma or allergies. Keeping carpets clean is crucial for a healthy work environment. Let's look at the health benefits of regular commercial carpet cleaning. Regular cleaning helps remove dust and allergens, leading to fresher air in your workspace. Cleaning eliminates harmful particles, improving overall hygiene and minimizing illness risks. Deep cleaning removes lingering odors from spills and foot traffic, keeping your office smelling fresh. Routine maintenance extends the life of your carpets, saving on costly replacements. A clean workspace fosters a positive atmosphere. Here's how clean carpets can enhance productivity. A tidy, professional appearance helps employees focus better. A fresh environment boosts morale and motivation. Fewer allergens mean fewer sick days, leading to a more consistent workflow. To maintain carpet hygiene, follow these best practices. Vacuum high-traffic areas daily to prevent deep contamination. Deep clean carpets at least once a year, more often in high-traffic zones. Address spills promptly to prevent permanent stains. Create a regular schedule for cleaning and maintenance. To prevent stains, regularly vacuum and treat spills immediately. Use a solution of vinegar and warm water for quick cleanups, and for tougher stains, consider specialized carpet cleaning products. For professional solutions, consider services like Premium Clean to keep your workspace vibrant and healthy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on maintaining a healthy workplace.